Hello, everyone. My name is Chuchi. Today, I'm excited to talk to you about this revolutionary technology that has transformed the way we experience the digital world. So, everyone, welcome the VR. So, welcome to my presentation, VR Reality, Unlocking the Immersive Experience. Let's start with a brief definition. Virtual reality, also known as VR. So VR is a computer-generated simulation that immerses user in an interactive three-dimensional environment. It combined some cutting-edge technology like computer graphic, motion tracking, and display device to create a realistic sense of presence. With VR, we can explore and interact with digital world as if we were truly there. VR has made its mark in various industry. So some of them, including the education and training, healthcare and therapy, architecture, design, tourism and exploration, gaming and entertainment. Uh, so gaming and entertainment is probably one of the biggest reason why people using it. There are lots of famous game like Super Hot or Beat Sabers. Yeah, so does everyone recognize what movie the picture is from? The Ready Player Number One. That's the future of the VR is going to be. VR also enabled interactive experiment learning, allowing students to step into the historical environments, conduct scientific experiment, or practice complex tasks in a safe and controlled environment. VR is also transforming healthcare by providing realistic simulator for training medical professional, offering pain distraction during the procedures, and in the architecture design, VR allow like the visualized architecture design in 3D, allowing architects and the clients to walk through the virtual buildings, make real-time change, and get a realistic sense of the space before construction begins. VR also allowed the users to travel to those iconic landmark. You don't even have to like leave your house to see all those amazing views. Um, so the benefit there are like lots VR offer lots of function. There are lots of benefits of using the VRs. So the impact of VR is profound, and its benefits extend across various domains. For example, it provide enhanced immersive experience like no other technology has ever done. VR transport you to a new world, simulating your sense and creating unforgettable experience, whether it's like scaling mountains, exploring depths of oceans. Um, there are also studies show that VR improve learning and retentions study. So the VR enhance learning by engaging multiple senses and promoting active participation. It helps with knowledge and retention and allows for hands-on experience that are otherwise challenging to replicate it. Um, VR also offers safe and realistic training simulation by providing a risk-free environment for professionals to practice complex procedures, emergency simulations, or dangerous scenarios. It enabled the trainees to learn by doing, building muscles, memory, and decision-making skills. Uh, VR also help with empathy building and virtual travel. VR has the power to foster empathy by immerse user in someone else's shoes. It enables us to see the world from different perspectives, promoting understanding, empathy, and culture exchanges. So right now in the market, there are like multiple different uh, VR platforms and device. So let's talk about the VR device and technology. So, for example, there are head-mount display. There's standalone VR like Oculus. I have one of those myself. There's a game VR headset like the PlayStation VR, but they are all head mounted displays. There's also like mobile VR platform like Samsung Gear VR and Google Cardboard. So the difference of those is the uh so you just need to insert your phone into the VR viewer and experience the VR content through those dedicated apps. Some cutting edge technique they use is the motion tracking systems. Motion tracking system like is used to enhance the immersions and the interactive of VR. Those system tracks the movement of your hands, bodies, allow you to interact with the virtual environment. So let's talk about the challenge that the VR facing. So like any emerging technology, VR has its own set of challenge and opportunities for its growth. First thing is the cost. So the Apple just released their new products, their own VR headset, which is marked for $3,500. It's not really affordable. Yeah, VR equipment can be expensive, limiting its accessibility to a wider audience. However, as the technology advances and economies of scales came into the play, we can expect more affordable device like the Oculus is a lot cheaper if you got a used one. You got it from $200 to $400. Um, Another problem is motion sickness, and some individual may experience motion sickness or discomfort while using VR caused by the mismatch between the visual and vestibular cues. Ongoing research and technology advance aim to minimize those side effects and provide more comfortable experience. Also, limited content availability is a big problem of VR. So, but as more people joining the community, there will be more content release in their store. Right now, there are a good amount of it, but not enough. Like compared with the store from you, the app store on your phone. So this is uh the end of my presentation. Thanks for watching it, and have a good one.